Hello and welcome. I'm learning a new programming language called Kotlin. So, first of all what I did was to install IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA is used to write a Kotlin programming language in order to create an Android application. So, after installing IntelliJ IDEA, I linked up my GitHub account um, so IntelliJ IDEA, I have to sign in my GitHub account over here. And after signing in my GitHub account over here, I also link up my local machine SSH key to GitHub, and so that I will be able to push my changes from my local repository to the remote repository in GitHub. So, in order to learn more about Kotlin, I had to create a learning model. First of all, I created a folder over here, and then in the folder, I have the collection lists. I learned how to create list, set, and map in Kotlin. I also learned conditional logic, the if and when conditional logic. I also learned how to create functions, simple functions in Kotlin. I also learned the loop, the for and while loop. I also learned the mechanic standard class and the data class in Kotlin. Using the knowledge in my learning model, I created a simple Kotlin prototype of the recipe organizer model. So in the model, I created an ingredient file that contains the ingredient data class. I created the meal plan that contains the um, meal plan data class and also the weekly meal plan data class. I also created the recipe. The recipe contains the recipe data class, and also I created the user preferences, which contains the user preferences data class. Thank you. So, in the upcoming week, I'll be creating my complete Kotlin application, the recipe organizer application using Kotlin programming language. Thank you.